My name is Uche. I'm a global teacher. I teach basic science tech and data processing in high school at Federal Government College Daura in Katsina State, Nigeria, West Africa. I have mixed students ages 12 to 17 years old. This is my National Geographic Certification Program 2019 capstone project. Thank you.
Biodiversity refers to the variety and variability of life on Earth. In other words, it is the sum of all the different species of animals, plants, fungi, and microbial organisms living on Earth and the variety of habitats in which they live. In our lessons, we fulfilled the needs, aids, and importance of biodiversity to the ecosystem. As an entry event, a video interview of Dr. Steve Merton, an ecologist, was played, where we learned more about the importance of biodiversity. We had a chance and connected with Natural Geographic Explorer Classroom Hangout with Steve Winter, the photographer. It was an awesome experience, bringing exploration life into our classroom. We had a virtual field trip to Sharks and its Environments, USA, where we learned more about sharks, its environments, species, and its habitats. We also had a virtual field trip to the Joshua Tree National Park, California, where we learned more about the species of organisms and animals that died there due to climate change. While in class, we navigated to the National Geographic resources and viewed the humble bramblecay melomie, a mammalian species that extinct due to climate change. We sketched and drew bramblecay using drawing sheets, paints, and other materials. We explored both the local and global species threat extinction using the IUCN Red List. We used mapping tools such as Google Earth, National Geographic Map Maker tool to locate countries affected by climate change, both in Nigeria and other countries all around the globe. We brainstormed and discussed more about biodiversity and the ecosystem. We presented our achievements to create awareness in the importance of biodiversity to the ecosystem.
I was so curious about why the humble bramblecay melomies become extinct. Why the same bramblecay melomies are so sensitive to oceanic inundation? Why some species mostly at risk in Nigeria and other countries? How do humans negatively affect biodiversity? What actually is the carrying capacity of planet Earth for humans? I have acquired more knowledge of the subject matter and realized that we are destroying the natural resources, wildlife and habitats that we depend upon for survival at a devastating pace. Today, there is no doubt that the impact of the human population and nature is big, leading to a drastic loss of biodiversity. This biodegradation, especially in tropic regions, concerns authorities and environmentalists worldwide.
We added real content to the Worklet digital portfolio, bookmarked and shared our findings and solutions via social media. Finally, we understood and had more knowledge on the importance of biodiversity to the health of ecosystem. We discovered other countries that were actually affected by climate change. We created Flipgrid accounts to amplify our voices about the importance of biodiversity. We developed more skills and collaborated to execute the task, activities, finding, solution, and research. We learned about the world in different perspectives. We have realized that we are responsible in taking care of our planet. This is my story. This is our story. Together we can make a huge difference to our planet.